Making money doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some easy ways to get started. Freelancing, if you can write, design, or code, platforms like Fiverr or Upwork can turn your skills into income. Affiliate marketing, promote products online and earn commissions for each sale. It's simple if you have a blog or social media following. Digital products, write an ebook, create templates, or launch an online course. Sell it once, earn forever. YouTube, share your expertise, entertain, or teach something valuable. Ads and sponsorships can bring in revenue. Dropshipping, start an online store without holding inventory. Suppliers ship directly to your customers. Quick tasks, websites like Swagbucks or Inbox Dollars pay you for surveys or product testing. Rent out assets. Got a spare room, a car, or a camera? Put them to work and earn passive income. The secret is to pick what works for you and start now. Small steps today can lead to big rewards tomorrow.